Hi everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl here, and I want to pick some hair. Just the shop behind me. As you can see, my sister is already sitting down comfortably negotiating. But guess what? Things are expensive. I'm not going to lie. I think this Xmas is going to be something else this time around. I don't even know how we're going to do it, but we shall survive. We just survive. So follow me. Let me show you what we are going to buy. I don't even know. Maybe we'll buy packet hair, because naked is expensive. Like the money we have here is, we can't go there. Like it's choke. So this is the owner of the shop. Say hi to my subscribers.
Hi.
So she has a lot of rich vibe, like rich. When I say rich, you know that type of rich aunties that when they pass, like nobody needs to tell you how much they owe. Like from their hair, you'll be able to know their worth.
Like
so let me show you. I'm telling you.
Straight, anyone.
You see,
Kinky straights, all are available. Even
Everything.
in wigs, braided wigs.
everything is available. All you just have to do is just come here or pick the number that I'm going to drop on the description box. Call her and she will deliver anywhere you are. If you want it in wig, in luxurious hair, in braided wig, in packet hair, she has everything. So guys, these are the luxurious hair. We have
Single straights,
Yes.
double drawn, super double drawn, like BoneStraight. These are our
my God.
BoneStraights.
and the color is so fine.
Look at them. Any color, any length, from 10 inches, from 8 inches to 30 inches, any color.
I love that one. Okay, my beautiful people, these are some of their packet hairs. Yes, we call it packet hair because they have a name, a particular brand on them. Unlike the previous ones you just saw, we usually refer to them as naked hair. But this packet hair, you can also get some amazing, lovely, and some last longing hairs that you can use for years. Yes, guys. Like this one is creamy. We have varieties. There is one that is like, you can use it for packing gel and you can use it for anything at all. Maybe if you want to wig it, and they can last. Actually, if you don't have money to go for the naked ones, that is the ones you just saw a while ago that is open, you can also buy this one. One thing about all this hair is maintenance. If you're the type that you can maintain hair, like you know how to maintain them, not keeping them rough, putting the necessary conditions, because yes, they also need attention, they also need care. You just put them in the place that is well conducive for them, apply the necessary oil, but don't just overdo it. They're going to last for you. This shop is very, very big. They have the ones that if you want to go for a lower quality, you can also get them here. You can refer to them as blend. Yes, you can call it human hair blend. And there are a lot of amazing things. They have already made wigs, the one they have wigs, and they stylist standby. Like once you walk into the shop and you want to pick and go, like maybe let's say you pick a packet hair or one of those luxurious hair, the BoneStraight, the double drone, the single drone, and so many of them, and you just want to wig it immediately, don't worry, she got you. Like they are stylist standby who is going to wig it, coil it, do the necessary things, trim it if you want it in a bob wig. All these things, all these services are here in the shop. Just come with that your target. Come with what you want. If you're going with a naked one, that is the luxurious naked hair. Some of them do have names though, but if you're going without one, there's a stylist that is going to put everything in place for you. Then if you just want to pick ones from the ones they have done already, if you try to compare, you will say that these ones here are a little bit lower even in price. Like here you can get wig of 12, 15, 20 and thereabout. Then if you feel like this is not what you want, like they're not in your class, you can move up to the other place and pick some good hairs. You've already seen it there. She has BoneStraight, double drone, and a lot of things. Guys, please, if you're hearing some noise, please just ignore. This place is a market and a lot of noise has to be going on. So this is the stylist I'm talking about. Guys, look at the way he's doing it. Yes, he's a guy. Look at the way he's doing it. Like after wigging the hair, he will take their time, he will trim it. If you want it in a bob, there is a clipper. If you want to trim it, if you want to make it smooth, neat, and all that. The guy also has hot comber, hot this and that. Anyone you want, they are ready to answer you. They are ready to give you your taste, your desire. Like there is no going back. Once you enter this shop and you want some amazing stuff, do not go anywhere. Just relax, tell them your budget and what you want exactly.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine.